Hi, today I'ma show you how to get started with Chatbot. Let's proceed. On your browser, type chat.openai.com. Once you're done, you're going to see two options, log in and sign up. If you have already an account, just click login. If you don't have yet, click sign up. Once you're done making your account, you will see this ChatGPT interface. Let's start asking some questions. What can you say about artificial intelligence? You just need to wait patiently and your questions will be answered in a few seconds. Let's try one more time. What is the difference of artificial intelligence and a chatbot? And just like that, and I hope you find this video very helpful.